What's the weather today in Amsterdam?
In Amsterdam, Netherlands, it's 7 degrees Celsius with partly sunny skies.